Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to read deleted messages on Snapchat. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you cannot instantly delete or unread a message inside a chat once it's been deleted, but you can download your official Snapchat data archive to view text logs of past chat history. So to do that, go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Now tap on your Bitmoji right here at the very top. All right, tap, and then just tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find My Data. All right, so before it was located right here under or besides logout. Now it is now inside privacy controls. Okay, just find My Data. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just make sure that you include chat history right here and chat media if you want to check or view photos and videos as well that is tied to those chats. Okay, but if you want to, you can go ahead and include Spotlight, shopping, support history, whatever you want. So tap on next and go ahead and select the date range right here. It says here, do you want to export data from a specific date range? Yes, all time, last month, last week, yesterday. It's up to you. So once that's done, just tap on submit. After that, it says here export progress. Snapchat right here is creating a copy of files. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or a day, depending on what you've included in the selection in the last page. Okay, you'll receive an email when your export is done. So just wait for an email, check the files, open up the chats section, and once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you read deleted messages on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.